Hey there, welcome to our mini course. If you're looking to build a website to help your business and work for you 24/7, this is your place. I'll show you how to do everything yourself, better and smarter, from start to finish, without hiring designers, without waiting for weeks and spending thousands of dollars. So what exactly you'll learn here? We'll explore what are the goals of your website, what are you trying to achieve, how easy it is to build your pages with the drag and drop builder, engaging with your visitors and turning them to actual customers, how to sell online in case you want to collect payments or sell any type of a product, setting up appointments in your calendar, how to do your search engine optimization, which is SEO, and connecting your domain and actually getting people to your website. This academy is 100% free, and in a few hours you'll be better in web design and marketing than 99% of the people online. Click on the link below and let's get started.